Yes, maayong gabi, usap dapitan!
Maayong gabi, tanaw! Siya ako!
Dakogid kayo ang among garbo nga anak ka sa dapitan ug naghatag kang dungog kabahin sa mga talento nato ug abilidad. Mao nga ang dakbayan sa dapitan karong gabi una muhatag kanimo og among pasidungog, appreciation sa tanan nimong gibuhat. And I would like to read this certificate of appreciation is hereby awarded to Mr. Gabriel Maturan in grateful recognition of his relentless search for distinction in the realm of music, manifested profusely in his songs that carved his excellence at the X Factor Philippines, that catapulted him to become the pride of Dapitan City in this period when icons are rare and few. Given the 17th day of October 2012 at Dapitan City, Philippines. Signed, Patri Bamondichan City Mayor. Daghang kayong salamat, guys.
Thank you so much, man.
Big hand, ladies and gentlemen!
Thank you. Oh my God, naulaw na kayo kung...
Thank you, Mayor. Oh, picture nyo, no?
Oh, nag-graduate na agad. Naulaw na kayo.
Huwag na kayo kumepal.
Thank you.
Alright, okay.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Dapitan. Thank you sa tanan suporta sa ako sa X Factor. Palangga kita mong tanan. Unta usa ta mo mahalo karon og malab pero bagay kayo. Mag-ano na ko.
Anyway, sa tanang mga online dire mga netizens, they call them netizens. We have www.facebook.com/Gabnatics. There you can like the page and get updates.
Yes.
Again, ladies and gentlemen, Gabriel Maturan!
Thank you so much. I love you guys.